Start off with some bales of straw with some pumpkins, some jack-o'-lanterns, a black cauldron candle, and then a happy Halloween mat on this side and a pumpkin harvest mat on this side. And then we have just a really pretty wreath with some leaves. This lights up as well. I just haven't hid the battery pack yet, but it's really cute and festive. And then as we enter, we have this little truck thing. It's super cute. I think we got this at Target. And it didn't come with any of these, but we just filled up some of these little pumpkin. It didn't come with any of the stuff on the inside, so we just put some leaves, some pumpkins just to decorate it, and also some lights. So this does light up. We have a sparkly pumpkin on this side. And then as we approach the living room, we have some really pretty candles with some bats. We have some black lace, and this also lights up around the mirror. The Halloween tree, I almost said Christmas tree. It is not a Christmas tree, Janie. And some cat candles. Then we have some cat candles. There's me in the mirror. This does make quite a loud noise. I'm warning you now. Oh.
I know who you are. We're sorry, the number you have reached is not in service. Please check the number or try your call again. This is a recording.
So yeah, this has different sightings.
Hang up.
Okay, I don't know. But yeah, that's really cute. We got that as Target as well. It's really fun. Then we have another one of the candles with bats on it. And then here we've hung up some orange autumn leaves, because why not? Make use out of this arch. My sweet doggy is sleeping. This is Max. He's just sleeping away. He's an elderly dog, so sometimes he doesn't even realize his bed's there. He will lay on the floor instead. But yeah, we have the orange leaves. And then here at the dining room table, I'm just gonna turn on the light. We have some towels, no magic while I'm gone, with a cat and a dog. Then we have this really cute table runner. And most of these things were from either Home Goods, Target, TJ Maxx, Marshall, things that my mom has collected throughout the years. She's really into this kind of stuff. And then we have like a cake stand that she also put some leaves on as well. That's a lot of the times where I will take product close-ups when I'm filming, and same thing for this. So the actual ring itself that this is in, the little display, is from Pier 1. I forgot to mention, she also used to buy a lot of things from there before they shut down all of their stores. At least in my neighborhood. I'm not sure if the others have it like that too. We have a jack-o'-lantern that lights up, little cups, and then a little spiderweb lace thing on top of the mirror. And then we have some branches, I guess you can say, like just some plants that we've put leaves on. And these do light up as well. It looks better at night, so that's why I don't want to have it running during the day when there's nothing going on. We have a doorknob welcome sign that we just hung up here. We're doing it on the other side. We have some orange pillows. The middle one says grateful. And then on this side, I can already tell this video is going to be a pain for me to edit because I keep saying Christmas when I really mean Halloween. We have a beautiful Halloween house that again we decorated with the orange pumpkin little lights. And then we have two little, I guess, scarecrow people, right? I guess that's how I would describe them. It's a little bit shadowy in this corner because the lighting in this room is not great. I have my studio lights on, but we also have this little pumpkin blanket towel thing that just adds a little bit of color to this section. All right, moving on to the coffee table. We have this little, I guess, scarecrow boy sitting down holding a pumpkin. Then we have these three witches with a pumpkin and a broom. Really cute. This is their most recent purchase, I would say. My dad saw this a couple months ago and he found it again and he had to have it. He thought it was like a perfect addition to all my mom's collection, so he bought it for her. And then here we have another truck similar to the one that you saw at the front entrance. This is also filled with similar items. It's the leaves and the little pumpkins and all that stuff, and there's some lighting around it. So we have another orange pumpkin house, which is really cute. Another little straw person. I don't know where my mom gets these, but they are adorable. It's just that real scarecrows actually freak me out a little. We have another candle, a little pumpkin face. Then we have this jack-o'-lantern, which is really cute. I think from Dwayne Reed or Walgreens. And then I have to look at him again. Sweet, sweet doggy. And then we have one more of the houses, those little haunted houses, which are super cute. It has a ghost at top and a witch flying off on her broom. Right by the books, we have another little house. These are so cute. I'm getting really repetitive here. Okay, on top there we have a little Halloween witch candle. There you go, as you can see.